Alright. Shotgun hunting hogs with slugs. You got one, you got two. You know, sometimes that big old shield's gonna stop them. Good thing about a double barrel, good old coach gun, two slugs. Sit there, both barrels. There you go. Here's the PHC. We can't afford Tannerite. We like explosives. We do what we can, even if it's with our own product.
He shot the top, not the bottom.
Whatever.
You don't even know what I said.
I don't know. It's Christmas time. Texas snowstorm. There we go. This is the second attempt. 986 versus a roughly 1975, 72 cotton stripper. This is what goes on at the Bohemian Hunting Club when we're not hunting.
About as much of this as I can stand, and I don't need this town of yours more than I've never needed nothing else. 'Cause there's still a lot of drinks that I ain't drunk, lots of pretty thoughts that I ain't thunk. Ah yeah, and there's still so many pretty lonely girls in this best of all possible worlds.